These are multiple choice questions right now about drafting different types of views. Still multiple choice. Here is the first drawing question. They want you to apply a material, and the answer to the question is, what is the overall mass part in grams? And over here they give you multiple things to click on to design this part. And the answers are down here in multiple choice. Part 2 of it, modify the part with a different set of values. Again, some stuff to click on to give you some different values of what letters need to be changed. This one is asking you to actually enter a value, and you cannot guess at what that question is. It's all part of the new CSWA. Here we are creating some sort of caster wheel or some sort of pulley. And again, multiple drawings on how to design it. Again, multiple choice for the first part. Second part is to create that same thing, but this time turn it into what we would say maybe is like a rim or a spoked wheel with a couple of different options. This value must be entered in. It is not multiple choice. This one here is creating these parts. Actually, I'm sorry, it's opening these connecting rods. So this is new. You used to create these parts. Now you can open these rods. And what they do is they give you a bunch of parameters on how the rods should come together. And then you need to figure out what that distance is there. And there are a list of instructions about how to connect the rods. And then they're giving you a multiple choice. Same ordeal with this question, except for now you need to enter a value. Same deal here, another part. This one here is building the assembly. They are giving you the assembly to put together. And the parameters here. A couple of different instructions on how they should be assembled. Multiple choice. Next part is asking you for X, Y, and Z coordinates based upon the new parameters. Again, this is a widget that they want you to create based upon different numbers, different dimensions. They give you what the A, B's, and C's are over here. They're looking for you to come up with its mass grammage. And the next step of that is to alter that piece a little bit with the new set of parameters and to give an actual answer. So the test is no longer able to be guessed upon. Same part. You can see here it's been altered out a little bit. And again, entering in another value. And then they give you the summary of the test when you're all done. Obviously it would tell you which ones over here are not answered. How much they're worth in points. So as you can see, a lot of the assembly questions are worth more points than the non-assembly questions. The questions that are multiple choice about the drawing views are only 5 points. So you really have to know how to create the parts, how to get the mass grams and how to assemble things together properly based upon instruction. Without following through with any of that, you will fail this test.